Hello students, I'm back with another video. The lesson number 2 component of foods are going on. Understand no? So the next part of this chapter is fats. You know what is fats? Fats means these are the material which are found in oily material, means oily products. And you are seeing on the screen the food we eat contain nutrients that provide energy and substance that body needs. Now you can ask me a question that carbohydrate also provide energy, but it gives more energy in comparison to carbohydrate. And carbohydrate is found, you studied and I gave you the examples like grains, rice, wheat, etc. But these are found in different things, like, or most of the nutrients in food fall into three major groups like protein, fats and carbohydrates. So here we are discussing fats. The body use fat as fuel source, and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. And fats are the stored part of our body. They can be used in difficult conditions, like when we are feeling hunger but we haven't any food on that time. So body start taking these stored fats, and these are found in various things like you are seeing here. These are the examples of like fatty meats and fishes, cheese, butter, avocado. This is a different kinds of fruit, and nuts and seeds like cashew, almond, coconut and chocolate, and oil and ghee also it is found. Understand? But if we take a lot of amount of fat in our daily life and never, yeah, rarely do the exercise, then it is start storing in our food in big amount, in large amount. So it causes different kinds of problem and different kinds of disease. The one is obesity. Obesity in Hindi you can call motapa. जैसे बोलते हैं, तोंद निकलना, like tummy, extra tummy. That is, obesity is generally caused by eating too much and moving too little. Means doing little exercise and eating too much. Whatever you are eating, you are just eating in the morning time. You are taking bread, biscuit, and snacks like burger, and not doing exercise properly. So it is that the body will start storing these food and never expand it. If you consume high amount of energy, particularly fat and sugars, and every day we eat the fat and sugars in different sugars are found in potato, in direct sugar and different products, but not to burn the energy. And burning the energy, burning the fat, you have to do exercise a lot of amount. So we have to exercise each and every day. And this time the corona is going on, so your holidays are also going on, so do exercise on the roof. Just take the walk at least 15 minutes and do escapes, jumping, etc., yoga, meditation, and don't become like that. Understand? So we will go through on next slide. These are the few examples of food item rich in fats. Means in the products in which fats are found in a big amount. Understand? There's like cheese, chocolate, coconut oil, not only coconut oil but also mustard oil, down nuts, means peanuts, cakes, crackers, cookies, and the maida product like chow mein, no, like Manchurian, pasta, etc. Don't eat too much it, and it will store in your body, and they are not beneficial to our body. Peanut oil, cashew means kaju, cocoa, canola oil, olive oil, soybean oil, different kind corn oil, different kinds of oil, ghee, and other products are the source of food rich in vitamins. Sorry, fats. And one more thing, the one more. If you eat too much fats, then diabetes also can happen in your body, but not that's true. So very early life, it will happen in the very in a large age, yeah, where growing when you growing older, like for after 40 and 50. So be careful taking these type of materials. So now what about your homework? Your homework is Your homework is what is obesity? Listen, question number one. What is obesity? And don't find out the definition from here. This is not the definition of obesity. It is just explanation about the obesity. Next is what are nutrients? Next is what are nutrients? And list and make a list of food in that are very high amount of fats. Understand? So these are the three questions you have to write in your copy. Understand? So it is enough for today. Bye bye.